In this video, I'm going to show you 10 different ways that you can start making money from home right now. Make sure to keep watching this video until the end so you don't miss out on anything. Hey there, welcome to Smart Mentor, your favorite place to increase your knowledge. There are a lot of different ways that you can make money from home. In fact, there are so many different options that it can be tough to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to help. We've put together a list of 10 different ways that you can make money from home, so you can find the perfect option for you. Whether you're looking for a traditional job or want to try something new, we have the perfect solution for you. But before we start, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, so you can continue increasing your knowledge in an easy and entertaining way. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section, and I'll answer them as quickly as possible. Number 1, sell products or services online. If you've got a skill or service that you can offer, why not sell it online? There are plenty of platforms out there that make it easy to get started, like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy. And once you build up a reputation, you can even start your own website to really scale up your business. Number 2, do some freelance work. If you're not ready to commit to selling your own products or services, then doing some freelance work can be a great way to earn some extra cash. There are all sorts of businesses and individuals out there who need help with everything, from social media marketing to web design. So if you've got a marketable skill, don't be afraid to put it to use. Number 3, start a blog. If you're a good writer and have something worth saying, then starting a blog can be a great way to make money from home. There are plenty of ways to monetize your blog, whether it's through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. And once you get a following, you can even start making money through sponsorships and speaking engagements. Number 4, create an online course. If you're an expert on a particular topic, why not share your knowledge with the world by creating an online course? You can earn money through platforms like Udemy or Teachable by charging students for access to your course. And once you build up a reputation, you can even start landing some high-paying clients for one-on-one coaching. If you want to know more, stay tuned until the end of the video because we have much more useful information that will help you achieve your goals easily and effectively. Number 5, sell your photos. Do you love taking photos? If so, then you could make some serious cash by selling your photos online. There are plenty of stock photography websites out there that are always in need of new images, and you can often earn a commission of 20% or more on each sale. So if you've got a knack for photography, be sure to put it to use. Number 6, complete online surveys. If you're not interested in any of the other options on this list, then you could always make some easy money by completing online surveys. There are tons of companies out there who are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay you for your time. So if you don't mind giving your opinion, then this could be a great way to make some extra cash. Number 7, do some microjobs. If you're not familiar with the term, microjobs are small tasks that can be completed online for a small fee. There are all sorts of businesses and individuals out there who need help with everything from data entry to social media promotion. And if you're willing to work for a few minutes here and there, then you can easily make some extra cash. Number 8, write articles or create videos. If you're good at writing or creating videos, then you could make money by contributing your content to a website or YouTube channel. There are all sorts of different businesses and individuals out there who are always in need of new content, and you can often earn a commission for each piece that you create. So if you've got a talent for writing or creating videos, be sure to put it to use. Number 9, provide customer service. If you're a people person, then providing customer service might be a great way to make money from home. There are all sorts of companies out there who need help with everything from answering customer questions to handling returns. And as long as you've got a phone and internet connection, you can easily get started. Number 10, do some data entry. If you're good with computers and have a knack for data entry, then doing some freelance work in this area can be a great way to earn some extra cash. There are all sorts of businesses and individuals out there who need help with everything from transcribing audio files to entering data into spreadsheets. So if you've got the skills, then don't be afraid to put them to use. There are all sorts of different ways to make money from home, and the ones we've listed above are just a few of the most popular. So if you're looking for some extra cash, be sure to explore these options and see which ones might be a good fit for you. And remember, there's no shame in starting out small. You can always scale up your business as you start to see more success. Also, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, and if you want to continue your path to success with more determination, I recommend that you watch these other videos that I show you here. Thank you so much for watching.